This is just a quick little power regulator I'm making for my hot glue gun and then for a hot wire cutter for foam. And all it is a rotary dimmer switch. I got at Lowe's for $6. I made this little box thing out of 1x2s, drilled some holes for the wires, and all you do is stick that in there. You just cut one of the wires on your extension cord. I'm going to place that in the groove I drilled. Then you just take these little wire nuts that came with the dimmer switch, tighten those down. And then you can just hot glue on the bottom. You can make it out of whatever you want. If you got wood, or even Dollar Tree foam would work. And then you can just tuck these little wire nuts away in the box. Screw down your switch, put a bottom on it, and now you've got an extension cord, also from the dollar store, that you can regulate the power to, and you can use it for anything: soldering iron, hot glue gun, hot wire cutter, lamp, whatever. So there you go. Cost about $7. Thanks for watching.